How to add chapters to YouTube video. So first, for example, this is my YouTube video. So if you want to add chapters, just scroll down, click on show more, and then you can click on this one just to allow YouTube to add automatic chapters and key moments. So if you want to add chapters manually, you can just go up and then click on description. Then from here, just need to type in this format here, something like this. So every time people watch your video, they can see the description of the video and they can see the chapters here. So let's say this chapter is an introduction, and then under it you can just type in the next let's say 03 50 seconds, so around the 3 minute and 50 second mark. Let's say this is the middle part of the video, and then if you want to name this so everyone won't misunderstand or get confused, let's just name this timestamps. Okay, now every time you upload a video and you have this here, that means these are chapters. Okay, and also you can see the progress bar here. So sometimes, no, whenever you do something like this, you can see the chapters here on the progress bar as well. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.